Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you some of the new coolest features of ParanoidAndroid 3. As you may notice, the new boot animation features ParanoidAndroid 3, and in this release they have upgraded to version 4.2 of Android, the latest one, and they have also improved some of the oldest versions. ParanoidAndroid is known to be built upon a framework that allows you to manage multiple DPI independently from an app to the other, and also workspaces that are not usually set. For example, since the Android 4.2 allows you to have multiple screens on the normal lock screen with configurable widgets, now you're also capable of selecting any widget from your phone, really, because previously it was only limited to calendar and Gmail and, for example, also the clock, but now you are free to do everything you want. And also, for example, as you can see the animation, now you can have some links on the lock screen, and now I've chosen to display my favorite beautiful widget. Then you can also proceed with a rapid launch of the camera app, for example, as you can see. But for the main home screen, now it is customizable via settings and hybrid properties. You are allowed to launch some of the presets that they have made. For example, if you launch the stock UI, you will use the classic UI of the phone, for example. Now I set it for you, and as you can see, the navigation bar has changed, and now the status bar is like this, with the click to display notifications or tiles, control tiles. Then you have also, as I wanted to show you, the launch for the phablet UI. This is my favorite, for example. It allows you to have the workspace like the Nexus 7, that is a fusion between a phone and a tablet. As you can see, if you scroll from the left, you get the notification panel. If you scroll from the right, you have the tiles panel, and also a little navigation bar. Then there is also 3 types of tablet UI that are different from DPI, from 192 to 250. The lower the DPI, the more little the displays the screen. For example, tablet UI at 192 will combine the navigation bar and the control panel in only one bar. For example, as I can show you, there is down there the notification control panel and the normal notification panel, all in one place. Then I can also show you I can also show you and come back to phablet UI, that they allow you to have different DPI from app to app. For example, the features are the apps. The apps can be changed independently one from the other for DPI and colors. Now, for example, this is browser. I can show you the browser. The browser is the layout similar to tablets, and now it's in full screen. I can change the DPI. I bring it back to the original. As you can see, it's bigger. I put it back to 200, about 200, and this is the layout. Was the older layout. Then you can change the colors. These are pretty fun to use. The navigation bar color, that is down here. The navigation button colors, that are these. The navigation color glow is when you press a button, the halo that this is displayed. And the status bar color down here, and the status bar icon color, like the data and the battery and the signal. And then also some advanced features like the expand, so you have to use the expanded mode, so full screen without navigation bar and notification bar. The force big screen, so the force resizable of the widgets, and the large screen. It is a fake displaying of a large screen that allows you to your apps to display large even if you don't have a large screen. Then it lets you see what you have changed and what you have changed, which app, and then these are unchanged app. Then the tools allow you to have multiple informations, and you can back up and restore the preferences. Then, like this, the ParanoidAndroid for the messaging and presets they have made. Then I can show you something more. You now are able to manage multiple users. You have an advanced tab for the Galaxy S3 settings for radio and scenario of the screen. I can show you this, the negative mode, for example, the movie, as you can see, it's dollar, and the dynamic, that is the default. As you can see, it's much powered up, the color. Then the haptic feedback control. Then, for example, there is something with themes. You can install and choose themes from this. You can customize the lock screen. With this, you can allow the rotation and see through the home screen. So if you have an open app, then you lock the phone and you quickly click again to open, you see that it displays what was behind the screen, as you can see. Alright? Then you can customize the home screen with any widget you want. The shortcuts that are displayed up to the ring, as you can see. And for example, also the volume rocker that allows you to unlock and something else. Then the toolbars. You can select what to show you in the status bar, the notification count, the custom tiles. You can customize the tiles panel, for example, and then you can set something with the navigation bar, for example, navigation controls, what to display and what not. Then also the new feature, that is the pie area, the pie control. I can immediately show you in browser. As you can see, I am in full screen now, and if I swipe from the right, I access to this pie, that is called pie, with the navigation bar controls, the menu and the search tool, and these two bars, the date and time, the battery, not the connections. If I leave upon this, I will get notifications. Since I don't have any notifications, nothing is displayed. Sorry. But then, if I select this other bar, I can see the tiles panel, as you can tell. Then, also, there are some features available to display that are customizable in the pie screen. Then the hybrid properties that I have already shown you. Just to let you know, the Android version is 4.2.1, as you can tell. And it's pretty much it. I'm running the SIII kernel and I'm fun with it. And thanks for watching. Bye!